Hey Hanya, you look tired. Are you okay?
Honestly, I'm exhausted. I thought hostel life would be fun, but it is much harder than I expected.
It's normal. The first few months are always difficult. What happened today?
Everything feels overwhelming. I'm still struggling with the daily routine. I cannot manage my sleep, my classes, and my hostel responsibilities at the same time. At home, my mother handled everything. Here, I have to do it all by myself.
Yes, that is the biggest challenge of hostel life. You have to wake up yourself, make your own breakfast, keep your room clean, do your laundry, arrange your books, and manage your studies. It feels like a full time responsibility.
Exactly. And waking up early is the hardest part. The alarms ring, but I keep snoozing them. Then I rush to class without eating anything. You should try keeping your phone far from your bed. When the alarm rings, you will have to get up to turn it off. That trick helps many hostel students. Good idea. I will try that. But the food is another big issue. I miss home cooked meals so much. The hostel mess food is not horrible, but it never tastes like my mother's cooking.
That is true. Every hostel student misses home food. The mess food is simple, sometimes too oily, sometimes too spicy, and sometimes tasteless. But you will get used to it. On weekends, we cook simple things in the common kitchen. It makes us feel better. What do you cook? Mostly tea, eggs, noodles, or parathas. Nothing fancy, just comfort food. It brings a small feeling of home. I would love that. Maybe I can join you next weekend? Of course, you're welcome anytime. But tell me, how are you adjusting with your roommate?
It is challenging. She's a nice person, but our routines are opposite. She studies late at night with the lights on, and I like to sleep early. She talks loudly on the phone, and sometimes she plays music when I'm trying to rest.
Roommates are a big part of hostel life. Some are easy to live with, and some are not. The key is communication. Have you talked to her about it?
Not really. I feel shy. I do not want to upset her.
You don't need to argue. Just speak politely. Tell her you need quiet time to sleep or study. Most people understand when you express your needs calmly. If you never speak, she will keep doing the same things.
You're right. I will talk to her. And another issue is the noise in the hostel. Some girls stay awake till 2 or 3 a.m., talking, laughing, and sometimes arguing. I cannot sleep with all that noise.
That is very common. Hostel corridors are always loud at night. Some girls gossip, some watch dramas, some talk to their families, and some are just too excited. You will need earplugs or good earphones. Trust me, they will save your sleep. I will buy some tomorrow. And the washroom situation? Oh my god, there is always a line in the morning. Yes, shared washrooms are another challenge. You must be smart with your timing. If you wake up 15 minutes earlier, you can avoid the rush. Otherwise, you will be waiting forever. I learned that the hard way today. I almost missed my first class. It happens to everyone in the beginning. You will improve over time.
What about laundry? I do not understand how to manage it. The washing machines are always full and drying clothes takes so long.
Laundry is a special skill in hostel life. Choose a fixed day for washing your clothes. Maybe Sunday afternoon. It is usually less crowded. Also, keep enough clothes so you don't panic when something is not dry.
That makes sense. Ikra, do you ever feel lonely here? Even with so many people around, I sometimes miss my family so much. The room feels empty at night.
Yes, everyone feels lonely sometimes. But hostel life also brings friendship, independence, and confidence. You learn how to live with different personalities, how to solve your own problems, and how to be strong. This hostel will slowly become your second home. Your friends will become like sisters. You will laugh together, cry together, share snacks, study for exams, and support each other.
I hope so. Sometimes I feel like I might never adjust.
You will. I was exactly like you in my first year. I cried for a whole week. Everything felt strange. But now, I love this place. I have unforgettable memories here. It feels better hearing that. I think I just need some time. Exactly. Give yourself time. Be patient, learn slowly. No one adjusts in one day. And remember, you are not alone. We are all here to help each other. Thank you, Ikra. This conversation helped me so much. I already feel lighter. Anytime. Now come on, let's go get some chai from the canteen. Chai is the real therapy for hostel life.
Yes, let's go. I really need it.